Hey guys, what's up? Well, today's video we're gonna do some unboxing of this National Geographic tripod that I bought from Argos for 19.99. Well, 20 quid really, but they say 19.99, but it's 20 quid really. And anyone who wants to disagree, comment below. So let's get unboxing. Let's see how it is. It's in a bag like this. And just put the box in there. More packaging. At the moment I'm recording with the tripod I actually made with a selfie stick and a small tripod joined together. I'll show you that once we've done this. This is how it is. I don't know if you can see that. Up close. Let's check the length of it. Look at that. That is quite long. This looks quite good for £20. There are more there as well. That will kind of going to 50-60 quid. But this is quite lengthy. Oops, I missed this one. So as you can see here, quite lengthy. This is what I'm going to be doing most of my shots with. It says National Geographic right there. Hope you can see that. National Geographic. So not bad for 20 quid. I'm gonna mount my phone onto it. It's got the screw head at the top. Look at this. So with that said, you need to get this if you want to do recording with your phone. You're gonna need to get this phone mount. I got this off eBay. Was it for £4.99, £5 again basically. I don't know why people put 99 at the end when it's really really adds up to the pound, like £4.99. It's really £5. £3.99 is £4. Don't know why people do that. They should just put £4. What difference does it make? It's only a penny. Just mount this to the top. That, and then you just fit your phone into there and do some recording. Interesting. Oh, and also it goes even higher. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just loosen this. That goes even higher, a bit more higher. So it is quite lengthy, and it is quite cheap. So save your money. And by the way, this is not an Argos sponsor. So if you're looking for a commentary tripod similar to this one, I suggest you get to Argos. Probably one of the cheapest you could get. I don't know if Amazon might sell cheaper ones, but I don't know about where you really can't see what you get until it arrives in the post and it's too late. That's why it's better to get your stuff from the store so you could see it firsthand, and also could end up returning it. So guys, oh yeah, I need to show you what I'm recording with. Shop tripod, head cut off, mounted to a selfie stick. Yeah, I do some weird experiments, but it did work. It does work some of the times, but some of the times if it's windy outside, wind just blows it over. Actually most of the time the wind blows it over. So guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button, and also if you're gonna hit this subscribe button, you might as well beat the shit out of that notification button so you never miss an upload. And also feel free to comment as well. And with that said, you could also feel free to do what the fuck you wanna do. I'll catch you guys later.